Secondly, I had a few people ask me about my airbrush. It's a trigger airbrush, Grex TG3, 3mm nozzle. Comes with 3 cup sizes, easy to use, easy to clean. Great control. Just turn that up there and it makes my lines finer. Turn it the other way, makes my lines wider. Excellent airbrush, never had a problem with it. Topnotch are the only authorised Grex dealer in the UK. Well worth the money, brilliant jobs. Made by modelers for modelers. It's designed for paint, not like the cheapy airbrushes that come from another country. You will know what I'm talking about. That's designed more for cake decoration and stuff. This is designed for paint. Excellent airbrush, never have a problem with that. So, back to the model. As you can see, I've done my crazy cutting out. I just laid that on top of the masking tape on the bench, cut around it with a knife, stuck it on the plane. So that's my blue protected, ready for my 2 colours for the main camouflage. Once I've done the main camouflage and that, I can remove all this and then I'll do the odd little tiny bits of model afterwards. But this is all ready for me to protect the blue and do the initial 2 colours. So we'll get straight on with it. So here we are. Here's my masking, just temporarily with the blue. So we do our first of our 2 camo colours. It's RLM 75 grey from Mr. Hobby Colours, available at Topnotch. Very good. So we'll get started. I'll give the whole coat everywhere, very light coat, and then we'll start using the masks from Topnotch. You see the Grex airbrush, I go directly from above. Nice thin coat. You don't want it to pull. You just want a nice fine coat and build up the layers. Like so. You can see that. I don't use a high pressure, nice low pressure, so you get complete control. There's no pooling on the tape, it's very light. So we'll do the wings. so. You can see that. So, see if I can get a light on the subject. There we go. Now, it's very faint, but you can see the panel lines just faintly through all that. So that's how I would like it. Going to let this dry now for a little while, then we'll start with the top-notch masks and mask off the rest of it, and then we'll do the next colour. So I'll be back just shortly. Right, I'm back. So now it's time for the top-notch masks. Very simple to use, very easy to fit on. I'll show you with one wing, and then I shall carry on after that. A very thin vinyl, very nice, excellent masks. Position like so. And it's just a light rub with a Q-tip once you've got it in position along the edge to pin it down. Like so. We'll do the next one. Number 5. That one. So number 6. So there we have it. Just remember, just before you spray, just make sure all your edges are down with a Q-tip and we'll be good to go. So I'm going to get the other wing done and then I'll be back. Hi guys, so we're back. Just before we start spraying, make sure the mask is rubbed down and nice and flush. Use a Q-tip. Especially on like any raised surfaces. Make sure they're all round. We're going to be using RLM 74 dark grey. Right, like before, fine coat. All over. Simple as that. We'll let that dry. And then we'll demask, see how it looks. Okay, that's it dry. You can see removed masking tape underneath. And it's all came out fine. So next up is to remove the masks, and you can see there's absolutely no bleed at all through that. And it's all down to touching it with a Q-tip cotton bud before you start. There we go. Absolutely spot on perfect. no bleed, exactly how I wanted it. And that's the Topnotch Masks. See, absolutely spot on. No paint bleed at all. Low tack, haven't lifted any paint. Absolutely perfect. You couldn't ask for better. So next up, I'll give this a coat clear, protect all this, and then I'll make a start on the mottling on the side, on both sides. And this piece here is a white band, and the tail fin is also white, so that's why that's been left for a moment. But there we have it, one masked up with Topnotch. Oh, I nearly forgot. We've got the two rear ones there. As you can see, this is me peeling it off in front of you, so if there was any bleed, you would see it now. And it's absolutely spot on. No bleed at all. No thick ridges, because I've done it so light and away from the edges. There's no underbleed, there's no pooling. It's just flawless. So next up, we'll be doing a quick clear coat while I'm away, and then we'll start working on all the squiggly mottling on both sides, because it's a strange pattern on this kit. So that's it for today. I'm going to leave that to dry, go nice and hard, and I'll catch you again soon. Take care.